Kusoo dhawaada barnaamijkeeni Hello Ramadan. Also, in the second part of this video, I want to explain some vocabulary you can use during the month of Ramadan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Kusoo dhawaada barnaamijkeeni Hello Ramadan. In this video, I will talk about two things: our program Hello Ramadan and some vocabulary, English vocabulary you can use to practice. Ardayda waxaan bushaareynayna iyo Iqra family dhammaan inaan bilaabino programkeeni Iqra family Hello Ramadan. Waa maxay Hello Ramadan? Hello Ramadan waxa weeyaan live casharo ood soo gelisid, live baa soo gelisa Facebooka, waana la qaadanaysa practice sida kobcin u samaysid Englishkaaga. It's very good. Last year we did it and the year before, and we're very excited. Also, in the second part of this video, I want to explain some vocabulary you can use during the month of Ramadan. Let's begin. Are you ready? Great. Number one is fast. 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 Fast means to not eat food, not drink water, to stop eating food, water. That's in the Arabic language, it's called Som. In it Som tidwayan marka. Som kam halirahda fast. Let's go to number two, the night prayer. The night prayer is when you stand up in the nighttime and you pray the prayer to Allah. That's called the night prayer. The extra supplementary prayers that are good for you. It's called the night prayer. Marka night prayer, waxa laga wadaa salaada leylka, habeenka. Okay? Let's go to number three, a very important verb. Abstain. 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 Abstain means to stay away from. To stay away from, to remove yourself from. Marka abstain waxa laga wadaa in laga fogaado. Okay? Hadda laga yiraahdo, I am fasting, I must abstain from water. Waan soomanahay, waxaan u baahanahay inaan ka fogaado biyaha, cuntada, iyo wixii soomka jabinayay. Abstain marka in laga fogaado weyn. The night of power, but the night of decree. The night of power, the night of decree, a very important night. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us, Laylatul Qadri khayrun min alfi shahr. The night of power, the night of decree is better than 1,000 months. That is a very beneficial time. So, the night of power, but the night of decree. Laylatul Qadr. Okay? Night of power, the night of decree. Good. We're almost finished. The last one. The last one, as you see, is seclusion in the mosque. Seclusion in the mosque. Seclusion in the mosque. Seclusion in the mosque means i'tikaf, to stay in the mosque, to not go anywhere. Usually the last 10 days you stay in the mosque and you pray, do good deeds, read the Quran. That's called seclusion in the mosque. Marka ina masaajidka joogtid oo Quran akhridid, waliba 10ka cisho ugu dambeeyay Ramadan hadii jeer waa masaajidka kala jooga, waxa lagu yiraahdaa English seclusion in the mosque. Thank you guys so much. I'm excited for Hello Ramadan. I am Coach Ahmed Seattle here at Iqra College, the best place to learn English online and offline.